Okay guys, welcome to another pick at Crazy Cleric's Lock Lab. This was a master that someone gave me a little while ago. It's nice strong lock actually, surprisingly. Yeah, it's the first one I've had of these, so I'm going to give it a go, see where we get. I did do it earlier in the off camera and relatively quickly, so see if I can not bore you to death. No, there we go. Right, well, see here. Master lock. Okay, let's pick that again, because that might have been a lucky one. Let's give them the benefit of the doubt, shall we? Although this is master we're talking about. Okay, so hang on back, hang on 3, hang on 2, and hang on 1. Let's try it again, a little less tension. There we go, and we're through. So, no, it wasn't luck, it is another quick pick from Master. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up down there, or give us a subscribe down that way. Either is good, all works for me. Be lucky.